Hello everyone! Today we'll be making stir-fried chicken with ginger. With ginger, this dish is pungent and rich in flavor. In this video, we're also gonna share with you some simple tips to make your chicken super tender for stir-fry. If you're ready, let's get started. For today's recipe, I'll be using young ginger. Young ginger is less pungent than old ginger. Compared to old ginger, it has a milder and less fibrous taste. To get started, I'm using a spoon to scrape off the skin of the ginger. Using a spoon, the skin should come off easily. The other way to peel ginger easily is to use a little paring knife, just like this. After finish peeling off the skin, cut the ginger into thinly slices. Then stack them up and cut them into thinly strips. Next, transfer young ginger into a mixing bowl. To remove an earthy scent of ginger, I'm adding a teaspoon of salt in. Gently give it a good mix. After that, rinse the ginger with water 3 to 4 times. In this recipe, I'm gonna use 2 colors of spur chilies, green and red. These chilies are not spicy. I like using spur chilies because it gives a lot of colors into this dish. For spur chilies, we're gonna cut them diagonally like so. For today's recipe, I'm using 200 grams of skinless chicken breast. To prepare the chicken breast, we will cut them into thinly slices. To make our chicken breast super tender for stir fry, we will transfer the chicken breast into the mixing bowl. Crack in an egg. We're gonna use just egg white. Now give it a good mix. Then in goes 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Then give it a good mix one more time. For the sauce, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of mushroom vegetarian sauce, half a tablespoon of soy sauce, half a tablespoon of seasoning sauce, and half a tablespoon of sweet soy sauce. When the garlic is fragrant, in goes chicken. In this process, we will turn up the heat to medium-high heat and stir fry until the chicken is almost cooked. When the chicken is almost cooked, we will add in ginger. Here we will stir fry for about 1 minute or until the ginger is fully cooked. After stir fry the ginger for about 1 minute, the ginger has become nicely cooked and it has become more fragrant. We will add in the sauce. Stir fry until everything is well incorporated. We will turn down the heat to medium heat. In this process, you don't need to add any more water in. We will keep stir fry like this for about 2 minutes or until everything is nicely cooked. Now our stir-fried chicken with ginger is done. Now it's time to serve. I like to serve this dish with plain jasmine rice. And there you have it, simple stir-fried chicken with ginger. If you like this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.